Well, hello everyone, and welcome into the Creative Tech Studio, where we share simple but creative solutions for solving your everyday workplace tech questions. My name is Ken, and in today's episode, we are going to show you a very easy way to create a simple org chart using Google Sheets. So let's jump in. So here we are in a Google Sheet, and I have two columns. The first column, column A, will be list of the employees, and column B will be a list of the managers. So as you can see here, John Jackson reports to Walter Smith. It's really important that I keep the columns in this order. Again, column A for the employee, column B for their manager. Then all I need to do is select all of the names, go up to Insert, Chart. On the side here, I will select the type of chart, and I scroll all the way to the bottom, and I choose Organizational Chart. I can move it over, I can expand it a little bit, and you will see the org chart matches up with the data that is on the left-hand side here. If I wish to change any of the arrangement of this org chart, I can simply come to this data here. Let's say Roger Walker really reports to Walter Smith. I can just type in Walter Smith, and then as you will see, the org chart automatically gets updated. Wowza. That was really simple, right? Well, hopefully, this will help you in the future whenever you need to create a simple org chart. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see more videos. See you next time in the Creative Tech Studio.